In today's changing society, online video content has become the key to driving customers to your business and growing your YouTube audience. Hi, this is Jeremy from Streetwise Studios. Our turnkey studio solutions include everything that you need to create as much video content as you'd like for far less than you might think. Purchasing a Streetwise Studio includes cameras, lights, microphones, and anything else that you might need for your specific studio. And our professional video producers will then come and set everything up for you. Have you ever wondered why YouTube seems to know exactly what your interests are? Your daily video feed will be totally different from mine. Why is that? Well, in 2006, YouTube was actually purchased by Google. That integration has culminated in an artificial intelligence engine that scans the audio of your YouTube videos. And then they use that info as keywords and search criteria to drive customers to your channel. This, as well as the ability to monetize your YouTube channel based on minutes watched, has made video the new powerhouse in internet revenue. But your videos have to look and sound professional if you want your audience to watch. This is where we help. As a business owner, if you're not taking advantage of online video's extremely powerful and affordable marketing potential, your competitors surely will. And as an aspiring online personality, the look and feel of your videos will set you apart from the cell phone cowboys out there trying to compete with your channel. But what about after that? Learning editing, motion graphics, all that scary stuff is time consuming, and that part of creating video content is what most business owners dread. With a Streetwise Studio, we take care of all the editing and post-production for you. You simply upload the video files through our secured link, and we take care of the rest. Our editors will make sure that the video is edited in the style that you've selected. We include your logos, your text, graphics, music, anything that you'd like. And after that, Streetwise Studios will upload it to your YouTube channel with the descriptions, links, and keywords that you've provided. So now you can focus on growing your YouTube channel's audience and driving more customers to your company. It's that simple. So give us a call today. Let one of our professionals come out, take a look at your situation, recommend the best studio kit for you, and after that, make as much content as you want and drive not only audiences to your YouTube channel, but more business to your company. Thanks.